Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to effectively log time on tasks using ClickUp's time tracking feature. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, you'll need to open ClickUp on your device and navigate to the task you want to track. The reason we do this is to ensure we're logging time against the correct task, keeping our project management efficient and accurate. Next, locate and click on the time tracking icon, usually found at the top right of your task window. This initiates the time tracking process, providing the basis for our time records. Now that we've done that, you'll see a timer pop up with a Start Timer button. Hit that button when you're ready to begin your task. This helps us because it gives us a real-time record of how long we're spending on each task, which is invaluable for future planning and resource allocation. Let me explain why this matters. Knowing how long tasks take can help us identify bottlenecks, streamline workflows, and improve overall productivity. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. ClickUp is recording the time you're taking on this task, which will be logged and available for analysis later. Once you've completed your task, you'll need to hit the Stop Timer button. ClickUp will then log the time you've spent on this task, giving you a clear picture of your task completion times. Finally, remember to save your changes. The reason we do this is to ensure that all our hard work is recorded and stored. ClickUp can then generate reports based on this data, giving us insights into where our time is being spent. So that's it, folks. A quick and easy way to log time on tasks using ClickUp's time tracking. This simple process can help you and your team become more efficient, productive, and informed about your work. Thanks for joining us, and remember, the key to productivity is understanding where your time goes. Until next time.